This brand is from Guardian Technologies and offers a wide selection of air purifiers that can be purchased through their website or on Amazon, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. The new models include the AC5109W, which provides 6 stages of air purification including true HEPA, activated carbon, a UVC light, and an ionizer, as well as pre-filters. They have 4 fan speeds, and the fan can be controlled based on the room's air quality by the built-in air quality sensor. The sensor also displays the current room air quality with a number on the LED display, where a lower number means cleaner air, and a colored light surrounding the display which changes colors based on air quality. They have a 394 square feet coverage area with a 258 CADR rating with sleep and timer modes. The AC4625BDLX tower model is a 4-stage air purifier with a 3-speed fan, 155 square feet coverage area, and a 102 CADR rating. They are available in black or white to match the home's decor and combine a true HEPA filter, activated carbon, a UVC light, and pre-filters to improve the air quality. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.